Hi guys, in this session we'll be just looking at an example using one of the ways of solving a quadratic sequence and series. So this example will be using simultaneous equation for solving this to find Tn for this pattern. So our Tn is equals to, sorry guys, this marker is finished, so let's use another one. Tn is equals to am squared plus bn plus c. We know that this is our standard equation for quadratic sequence and series. Okay, so our T1 here, T2, T3, T4. Our T1 there is equals to -3, and T2 is 8, T3 is 23, and T4 is 42. So let's find our first difference. Okay, maybe we can also find T5, right? So our first difference here is 8. To find the first difference, you say T2 minus T1. And also to find the other one, T3 minus T2, just like that. So 8 minus 3, it will be 8 plus 3, it will be 11, okay? And 23 minus 8 is about 15, and 42 minus 23 is 19. Okay, so from there we have the first difference. To get the second difference, we use the very same formula. We say T2 minus T1 this time must be equals to T3, T4 minus T3. Alright, so our second difference is 15 minus 4, which is 11, which is 4, sorry guys. 15 minus 11 equals to 4, and 19 minus 15 is also equals to 4. So our second difference is 4. From here we can find our a, because our a is equals to second difference divided by 2. So it's actually 4 divided by 2, which is 2. Okay, now let's see if we can find T5. Our T5 is equals to common. Remember the formula that I showed you from our previous session. Our T5 is equals to a second difference, which is 4, which is the same, plus our previous. This one is our previous because we don't have a difference yet here. This one is our previous difference for our previous first difference, which is 19, plus our previous term, which is 42. So what we do, we add 4 plus 19 plus 42. You can see if you write this like in a neat way, you can just see that you just add things like this, and even here you add this to get that. Even here you add this to get that. So it was 11 plus 8 that gave out 23. Okay. Sorry guys. Okay, that would be 4 plus 19 plus 42. That gives 65. So our fifth term is equals to 65. Right, now we have that our a is equals to 2. Now let's sub into the original equation, which is 2n squared plus bn plus c. Right, so from here we substitute T1 is equals to, what is our T1 is equals to -3, it's equals to 2 into 1 squared plus b into 1 plus c, of which it will be -3 minus 2 is equals to b plus c, of which is -5 equals to b plus c. Right, so let's substitute T2 is equals to 8, it's equals to 2 into 2 squared plus b into 2 plus c. Right, so this one will be 8 minus 4, this will be 8 as well, so because it's 2 squared multiplied by 2, so it will be 8, which is equals to 2b plus c. That makes sense. So that would be 0 equals to 2b plus c, of which, okay, our c from there, if I have to make it the subject of the formula, it will be c is equals to -2b, okay, -2b. Right, so from here our c, if I have to make it a subject of the formula, it will be -5 minus b. Okay, so let's equate these two equations, of which I will get -5 minus b is equals to negative 2b. Okay, so this one will go to the other side. It will be negative 5 is equals to negative 2b plus b, of which it will be negative equals to negative b, divide by negative, of which b is equals to 5, because we will divide both sides by negative. It will give us b is equals to 5. Alright guys, so we have b equals to 5 there. We have b equals to 5. Now we can substitute b into one of these equations here to get our c. So c, it will be so our c would be negative 2b, of which it will be negative into our b is 5, which will give negative 10. Okay, so we have our expression now is tn is equals to an squared plus bn plus c, n plus c. So it will be 2n squared, our b is equals to 5n and minus 10. So this is our expression. To find out if this expression is correct, you just substitute one of this term to get the term that we have here. Let's see with T4, sorry. So if with T4 it will be 2 into 4 squared plus 5 into 4 minus 10. Okay, so it will be 2 into 4 squared plus 4 into 5 into 4 minus 10. So that will give 42, which is correct. It is 42. Alright guys, that's it for this session. In our next session, we'll still be doing quadratic equation sequence and series example, using one of the using this example but using a different method of solving it. Alright guys, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to MathXYZ channel on YouTube so that you can get the new notification when we upload videos. Thank you.